to my YouTube channel. Another day, another recommendation, honey. Today we are recommending the best vacation spots around Gauteng and the surroundings. So let me just start off by noting that remember that prices are always different, so I chose not to share the prices with you guys. So if you need to check out the prices, you're gonna have to Google the place, because prices vary depending on the season, depending on the day of the week, depending on a lot of factors. So I didn't want to confuse you guys, so I just thought maybe let me not share the prices. So yeah, so guys, enjoy yourself, check out this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you pick up something that you can go to, and I hope you firstly subscribe and recommend this video to people that need to go or want to go on a vacation or a honeymoon. You know, you never know, these places can actually, they're actually not so expensive. Some are expensive, some are okay, so it's something that somebody can do, just an average person like myself can do. So yeah, those are the vibes, guys. I hope you enjoyed the previous video where I was talking where I was showing you guys the spa recommendations. So today is day 2 and it's vacation spots. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Whatever you do, recommend and share, honey. Okay, hope you enjoyed.
Everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not for what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York to shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not for what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it.